Ever wonder what separates the wealthy from everyone else? It's not just how much they earn, it's what they choose to spend on. Number one, insurance. Rich people buy protection before disaster strikes. Poor people often skip it, hoping nothing bad happens. Number two, books and courses. The wealthy invest in knowledge. They know learning pays off more than instant entertainment. Number three, time-saving tools. Rich people pay others to do tasks so they can focus on bigger goals. Number four, quality over quantity. One durable pair of shoes beats 5 cheap pairs that fall apart. Number five, assets that grow. Stocks, real estate, businesses, things that make more money over time. Number six, health checkups. Prevention is cheaper than a crisis. The wealthy invest in staying healthy. Number seven, financial advice. They pay experts to guide big decisions instead of guessing alone. Number eight, experiences, not just things. Travel and memories often matter more than clutter. Number nine, networking. Rich people invest in relationships and mentors who open new doors.
As priorities, not luxuries. Notice a pattern? It's not about flashy spending. It's about long-term thinking. The good Because the real difference isn't the money you have now, it's the choices you make with it.